Hey, welcome back. It's been a while. Welcome to the new space. This space is going to allow me to create more consistent and exciting content for you guys, and I can't wait for you to see it in the upcoming year. Before I show you the content that I've already shot, let me tell you what happened this year. At the beginning of this year, I made it a goal for me to shoot at least one video a month for the entire year. I only hit that goal 7 times, and here's the reason why. In 2015, I was diagnosed with a condition called keratoconus. It is a condition that affects the outer layer of your eye, which is known as the cornea, and slowly renders you blind. My progression was very slow, so it hadn't affected me that much until 2019, in which I had to get a special set of contact lenses. Anyways, long story short, at the beginning of this year, unexpectedly, my condition progressed a lot, and so I spent most of this year blind, and that's why I couldn't get you some of this content. 2 months ago, I had a cornea transplant surgery in my left eye to try and restore my vision. It has not yet been successful, and as I continue to wait for my left eye to heal and my vision to return, I'm currently only working with vision in my right eye, and I only have about 40% vision. So, bear with me as I go through this journey of trying to restore my vision, and if you're a fan of sad stories and feel bad for me, why don't you go ahead and click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up for all the effort I'm putting in trying to get this content out to you guys and keep you entertained. Anyways, the rest of this video is just a bunch of shoots that I done earlier this year that I never got the chance to edit and put out for you. I hope you enjoyed, and if there's any specific shoot that you really want to see the video for, why don't you go ahead and let me know in the comments below so that I can prioritize that video. And I just want to say thank you to all the people that have been subscribing and liking and commenting on my videos throughout the year. Your support means a lot to me and gives me that drive to really push out this content for you. Anyways, enjoy, and if I don't see you, Happy New Year.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one I
Cards on the table, your turn to play. We can't turn back now, we know how this will go. It's so sad that I'm leaving, I just don't see no other way. And it seems like you feel the same. Could've had everything, but you had to go and mess it all up. Whatever you want me to do, yeah, you know that I won't do that. When you're saying those things to me, keep on making me misbehave. I don't want you. When you're making me feel this way, like I'm the one to blame. Nah, bringing it all up, it's time to get out. Everything's different, I know how this will go. I'm so sorry for leaving, I can't even believe it. Maybe we'll meet again. Could've had everything, but you had to go and mess it all up. Whatever you want me to do, yeah, you know that I won't do that. When you're saying those things to me, keep on making me misbehave. I don't want you. When you're making me feel this way, like I'm the one to blame. Nah, yeah, yeah. Saying bad things to me, saying bad things to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Saying bad things to me, saying bad things to me. Yeah, please just for once, say that I'm right.